got the birds, I see. Well, how about I give you a list on them? Right, the first one. His name is Buddy. He's a green sheep conure, and he's an alright bird. Pretty pretty. And yeah, pretty much him. And now, got some names, sorry about that. This is Gracie. She's the devilish one. I would refrain from getting any close to her, because she's a devil. And I'm warning you, she can curse you. She can give you bird in shirt. And both of them can give you bird on head syndrome. So be forewarned about this when you purchase these birds. They're volatile and sometimes very lurid. Alright, Sonny. So, the prices for these birds. This one over here, the little buddy boy, he'll be around $325. Yeah, that's what I think, right? Yeah, $325. But this one's going for $1,000. Because this one, she's got a lot of risks, like I told you about earlier. So, if you buy this bird, you're in for a hell of a ride. Alright, Sonny, have you made your choice? Or do you want to say hi to them? Get to know them a little better. Go ahead. See who you like. Have you made a decision yet, old boy? Which one do you like? Honestly, I prefer this one. I know how to control the devil, of course. I've been with it for many years now. I've managed to control it. I don't know if you'll be able to control Gracie over there. So, I recommend you take this one. Sorta new. Alright, Sonny. So, it seems like you've made your choice. Alright. You can have Gracie. You just have to pay up with your life. And now, it's time for the payment. I only pay when I only get my cash from direct payments. And now, you're for sale. Seems like you've made your choice. You're with me now. Forever. Let the devils rise. Out of your shirt, onto your head. And you're now stuck with me for the rest of your life. Enjoy. Now that you're for sale, goes next?